Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a post on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the My Profile option. Under the post section, you will see the Add a Post option. Tap on it. Next, tap on the gallery icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Scroll through your gallery and select the photo or video you want to post. After selecting your media, tap on the next button in the bottom right corner. Finally, tap on the post button to share your content. And this is how you can add a post on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.